Any comments or questions? If you travel with your chocolate, do not check it into your luggage, because if you check it into your luggage, you can put your luggage in aluminum cargo containers, stick it out on the tarmac, and it's hot, your chocolate's going to melt. The other thing to consider is chocolate has the same density and consistency as C4 explosive. So when they do the security scan of your luggage, the scanner's going to pick the objects up in your luggage. They're going to open your luggage and they're going to eat the chocolate. So if you want to get that chocolate on for your benefit, carry it on with you. Don't check it into your luggage. Any comments? Question? Yes.
What did you do before you did this?
I managed a country club. I knew a little bit about growing turf on a golf course, but I didn't know anything about chocolate. Any other comments? Question?
Whose idea was it to move?
It was a mutual decision.
So hers? No.
I didn't hear that.
I said so hers.
So hers. Yeah, comes from a female. Yeah, we had traveled to Hawaiian Islands for years, 20 years or more on vacation. Really liked the Big Island, so we were able to find this property on the real estate market, made an offer. Dr. Hodges was traveling on vacation in Greece. So the realtor called him in Greece, said, will you take the offer? He said, I'd take the offer. So here we are. So we went back to North Carolina very soon, and our property sold within a month. So it's kind of meant to be. But you know, we miss our good friends in North Carolina, but if you invite them, they will come. And then you can't get rid of them. Been a pleasure to meet you guys and show what we do here. We take great pride in sharing our knowledge and experience with the good people who visit. So thank you for taking time to come see us today.